अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, शमशाद गनी हियर। मैं तो अपना कोविड वैक्सीन लवा ली है। ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਆਏ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਲਗਵਾਉਣਾ। ਤੇ ਇਟਸ ਬੀਨ ਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ। ਮੈਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਗੁਫ਼ਤਗੂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਕਾਰਡ ਕੀਤੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲ ਇਜਾਜ਼ਤ ਲਈ ਸੀ, ਆਈ ਵਿਲ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਵਿਦ ਯੂ। ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਵਾਲਾਂ ਦਾ ਜਵਾਬ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਏਗਾ। ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਬੁਖਾਰ ਚੜਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ, 2 ਪੈਰਾਸੀਟਾਮੋਲ ਖਾ ਕੇ ਸੋ ਗਏ। ਹੁਣ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਠੀਕ ਹਾਂ, ਸਵੇਰੇ ਉੱਠ ਕੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੰਮ ਤੇ ਆਈ ਹਾਂ। ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਗੁਫ਼ਤਗੂ ਸੁਣੋ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਵਾਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਜਵਾਬ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਣਗੇ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ।
This one here, do you want to take a picture? You're going to get a copy of this today.
Yeah, I will take a picture as well. That'll be nice.
Yeah, and you've got it. But you will be getting a copy of this as well.
Okay.
This actual
how
booklet.
many types of injections are?
You'll get them twice.
Okay.
So one today, and then you'll get your other one maybe 4 to 12 weeks after. Okay.
Right.
Now there is evidence to suggest the longer you leave it, the better it is. But just know, once you've had it done today, what will happen is that you'll get another letter to come out and come back and get it about the 6 week to 12 week mark.
Are they both same or is any different medicine in the second one?
Idealistically, we should be getting this. You should be getting the same container, and where we can help it, we'll get you the same one. Obviously, we need to just wait and see what the supply is like at the time. But as far as I'm aware, if you get the Pfizer, then you get the Pfizer next time. Both times it's 0.3 ml doses, so 0.3 mils today, 0.3 mils the next time. All right.
Okay.
This is not a live vaccine either, so nobody's injecting you with COVID. The way this works,
I know, because it's negative propaganda as well these
yes,
days.
and there really
People are
is.
discouraging, but
Read this bit
I
here.
go on social media all the time. I will encourage people.
Good.
They should
I'd love
go.
to hear that. Do you know how I explain it to people? By getting this vaccine, it's telling our bodies to start producing more antibodies.
Right.
You know yourself, we need antibodies
to
fight off colds, flus, everything. This is all this vaccination's been designed to do, to tell our bodies to make more antibodies. Now, because we're living with COVID, it's all around us, we don't know where it is. It could be getting stronger. So this is all this vaccination is doing, is telling us to make more antibodies so that we can fight it back better.
See, the virus is in the air.
To my knowledge, it is airborne.
Right,
you know.
because first they were saying, if we touch somebody or
It's touch, it's airborne. It's like cold. It's kind of like cold and flu. It's gonna probably be more so when you're coughing, and I suppose that's why they're encouraging the mask.
Right.
You're not gonna get spit or anything coming out just the same.
Right. Otherwise, it's still there.
Yeah, it's about us. It's absolutely about us, and I think that's the big thing. And I do feel it is airborne. Whether it's obviously it can't settle in the air.
Right.
It certainly is around about us.
Right.
And that's what you'll probably find here. It's all different stages.
Right.
Every seat's cleaned down.
Okay.
But yes.
See, the second wave came. What's your opinion about that? Is it getting any better? Because I'm going to share your views.
In my knowledge, certainly it has. It's conflictory. Obviously, because we know more now. Okay.
Yeah.
There's more tests getting done.
More tests getting
done. There is going to be people testing. Do you know if that makes sense? What I have heard though, there's been a lot of good results, even since just starting this up. Now, obviously, it's not going to guarantee protection. But certainly what it's doing is it's telling our bodies to produce more antibodies so that if we were to catch COVID, a lot of us maybe have had COVID, but we didn't have any symptoms, if that makes sense. So this will allow us then to start fighting it off a bit better. Now, I know certainly there's mutations, but it's like everything. See, each year with your flu, each year that flu vaccine is redeveloped each year. It's like pollen's change each year as well, and it's the same as flus, it's the same as COVID. It's going to change, but hopefully we're at a point where we can start controlling it, and it's just making sure.
And sometimes you don't have any symptoms at all.
Exactly, and that's a scary thing. And I think for me, I think I must have had it last year because I'm a very fit person, and I had a really sore chest and everything. I was like, this is not like me. So, and like that, maybe majority of us have probably had it, but we've just never known it as well, So, but don't you worry, you'll be getting one of these as well. So what will happen? You'll point you behind. One of the ladies will take you to get your vaccine. Okay. You will get this to take home with you.
Well. Okay.
Yes, it's got everything you want to know, all the side effects. And that there just tells you exactly what it is. So the vaccine triggers the body's natural production of antibodies and stimulates immune cells to protect against COVID. So this vaccination is just telling our bodies, right, come on now, make a bit more antibodies just in case.
Right.
So that's the point of this today.
Right,
So
right.
what to do is
And still, people can get COVID even after this
Yes,
vaccine, but it will be
exactly.
not that strong as without that.
Exactly. Now you imagine if you didn't have it,
Uh-huh.
your body doesn't have the same antibodies as somebody that's had this vaccine. If you're to get it, you've got a better chance fighting it off with the vaccine
Yeah.
than not having the vaccine.
Yeah.
Now, do you have any like diabetes or anything like
No,
that?
no, I'm
Fit as
perfectly
a fiddle
healthy.
generally.
Yeah.
So see people that are maybe a bit more poorly.
Yeah.
This is a very good thing for them because it is going to give them that bit more of a fighting chance.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Whereas it's not completely protecting you from it, but it is most and definitely it's going to certainly give you more immunity from the COVID itself. So we're just all hopeful.
Yeah.
And of course, it's still at the beginning, so we might hear different kind of things down the line, but certainly from what I've read and my research and what I've been doing, you know, it's done really quite well so far. So here's
Thanks very much
hoping.
for talking. I'm going to share your views.
Oh, thank
Thanks
you so
very
very much. And
No bother.
honestly, any questions as well, they're more than happy to
Thank
ask.
you.
All right, all
So
the
where
best.
to go? Over there?
Well, this lovely lady will point you in
Okay.
the right direction.
Thank you. Thanks, Jen. Hiya.
Over to number 2.
Number 2. Okay. Thank you. Hiya. Hello, young lady. All right.
How are you? Have a wee seat. Hi, my name's Eleanor and I'm going to be doing your vaccination today.
No problem.
All
Right
right.
arm or left?
Whichever you prefer. Are you left or right-handed?
I'm all right.
Okay, so will we go left because might get a wee bit sore still. Okay, and you've had a chat with my colleague
Oh, yeah.
and you've consented and you're happy to go ahead.
Yes.
What's your name, please?
Shamshad. Shamshad. Shamshad Ghani.
Okay, I'm just waiting on it coming through. I think my colleague's just finishing off your record and then you'll appear here for me. Okay. There you're here. Right, just 2 wee seconds, 'cause I don't know who Sarah is. Is this Sarah? Are you? Oh, no, that's fine, okay. No worries, that's fine, no problem at all.
So it's not letting me send across all the information we were just discussing there.
All right.
This, and honestly, I've just signed it in and out. Has this happened to you yet, by the way?
No,
With these laptops?
not yet,
Oh.
no. I've been lucky, I mean, I've seen it happening, but not yet.
It just crashed, I don't know why. All your information's there, I just need to send it to this lovely lady so she can give you a vaccine.
Okay.
This is just our luck, isn't it? So it's normally the case of turning it on and off, nothing else works. Even if you
I know.
slide it, it's bizarre, isn't
See,
it?
see the humans, we're all fine. It's the computers that are the
It's the
problem.
technology. I'm just going to borrow. Take a wee wait here. Sorry about this.
How many people you do vaccine a day?
Just whoever comes. I don't really know because sometimes appointments can be sort of, you could be getting someone 10 minutes apart.
I'll give you an example. See, when was it? Thursday. The whole day I was in from 12 to 8. There was 388 people got seen.
388.
However, when I was in Hamilton the week previously, we got through 871. So
800.
each clinics are completely different.
Right.
Completely
It depends on
businesses,
the staff as well.
staff. And I think different localities are busier as well, but I find, I don't know if you've noticed that at all, but I think as well, maybe this place is quite organised, and then like that, we're waiting for the next batches to kind of go out as well.
What age badge you have covered so far?
We're now, is it 60 and above, are we now? Are we still 64 and above, and then
I think
we're
we're
starting
kind
to
of
do
we're
more vulnerable people as
vulnerable
well?
people now as well, and I think it's 60 kind of,
Right.
we're going down the
Right.
ages now.
Right, 60 is done.
So we're at the 60s, and we're kind of coming. I think there may be still some 60s coming through,
Yeah.
but then it's coming down now as well. I think.
Right.
Sorry, but I'm so sorry about this, guys. There it goes. Let me sign in now, so I'll be right. Be 2 wee seconds. See, look, it's still loading. I think this is the system telling me to move home, I think. That would be nice, wouldn't it? Right. Is there any way what does it say on that? Does it say that it's locked?
Uh-huh.
Is there any way you can unlock it?
I don't remember what I've done with it now. Hold on, I have to do this.
So sorry, honey.
No, it's no bother.
It's always that one, because it looks like this
Here
is
it's
not one
here.
to play game. So what I would do, unlock the screening of this patient, because it's under my name anyway. Unlock screening. Yes. Start screening of this patient, and we've already been through all of this, haven't we? It was November time, you said, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We're just having to put it through all again because I'm going to have to go change this laptop. I don't know if it's not laptop.
Right.
You're not pregnant. We had asked you all your questions. There's nothing on that you're not suitable. You gave your consent.
Yeah.
Cord screening. There you are. I'm so sorry, honey.
No worries.
How many hours you are working a day?
Depends. Some people do 8 to 8 in the clinic. Sometimes I'm 8 to 4 today. So this isn't my usual
Some are
job.
doing 8 to 8, it means 12 hours.
12 hours.
You guys are
absolutely.
doing amazing.
Bless you. And thank you for people like you as well who are so kind and make the job a hell of a lot easier. Hey?
God bless you.
God bless you and all the best.
you.
Sorry. No worries. No problem. Okay. Can you just confirm your date of birth for me so I've
15th of June, 66.
Lovely. And your address?
105 Stevenston Court.
Perfect.
Yes,
That's
Stevenston.
lovely. Okay. No worries. Right. And are you on any aspirin or warfarin or blood
nothing.
thinners? Nothing like that. Good. Okay,
We are
okay.
proud of our NHS.
I know. Thank you so much for saying that. No, well, we're all trying. We've all got to just chip in, haven't we?
Yeah.
So it's the COVID-19 Pfizer vaccine you're having. This is your very first dose. You've not had any other doses of the COVID vaccine up until now.
How long it takes for the second dose?
You'll get a letter probably in about 10 weeks to come. So 12 weeks. We're doing them
10 to
12 weeks apart, yeah. Okay. And you're going to have it in your upper left arm. Perfect. Right, that's us. We're ready to go now. Let's get it done. Okay. So how have you been getting on through all of this?
Yeah.
All
I'm
right.
a taxi driver and a shopkeeper.
Right, so you've right.
I never sat in the house for one single day.
No.
Yeah.
My husband's the same. He's been at work all the way
Yeah.
through as well, I know.
Every single day working.
And you've kept well, so that's
Yeah, kept
good.
well, yeah. I mean, normal flu happened and that's it. Even I go flu injection as well. Still, it happens. It was normal, couple of days.
Perfect. Okay, so we're ready for this. Oh, could you slip your arm out of that at all? Just your sweater? Have you got a wee top
Take
on
it off.
underneath? Yeah, just because it's cutting off the circulation in your arm there.
Yeah.
So yeah, just slip one arm out. It's perfect. You don't have to take the whole thing
Right.
off. Yeah,
Right.
that's you. Good. Excellent. That's us. We'll get into it now. There you go. Okay, so sharp scratch, all right? Just a
That's
wee
it?
bit. That's it. Did you not feel a thing?
No.
Good. It's bleeding a tiny bit, so just press it just down for you. Stop that. You'd be glad to be getting it then if you're a taxi driver, eh? You get
Yeah,
folk
yeah.
and a shopkeeper.
Yeah.
People coming in, and if people all have been quite good with you then in your taxi, they're wearing their masks and doing what you ask them,
Yeah, we'll
and
make sure I tell them.
in your shop as well,
Yeah.
they've all been all right.
Yeah.
That's good. I really do think that most people are
Most
good
people
people.
are, yeah.
You get the odd one that's
Yeah.
just daft, don't you?
That's
But
it.
that's life. That's you, perfect. Can you put your stuff back on? Right. Okay, so this is your little information. The white leaflet is about the vaccine itself. The green booklet is about what to expect following your injection. Might just feel a bit off, a bit hangy, a bit sore arm. Take some paracetamol as long as you're okay. Do you feel all right?
I am fine.
You're okay?
Aye.
That's fine. And just it should only be 24, 48 hours and you should be feeling fine. If you're still worried about any symptoms after that, seek medical advice. Alright? Would you be happy to be contacted for research purposes?
Yeah, sure.
That's great. Lovely. Excellent. So that's you. So all you need to do now is just wait out in our waiting area. It's at the end here for 15 minutes.
No problem.
And then if you're feeling fine, head off. If you don't feel well, there's someone out there, just put your hand up or give them a shout. You sure you're feeling all right
Yeah,
just
I'm
now?
fine. Yeah.
Excellent. There you are.
Thank
That's
you.
your information then. Don't forget your phone. What have you got planned for the rest of the day then?
I'll be working.
Will you? All right.
Taxi driver's busiest day, Saturday, Sunday.